To fix an overheating shark vacuum, several possible causes should be considered. Firstly, clogged filters can restrict airflow, leading to overheating. Cleaning or replacing them every 3 months, especially with frequent use, is essential for proper maintenance. Another reason for overheating is overusing the vacuum, which can overwork the motor and reduce its longevity. To prevent this, it is advisable to give the device regular breaks, such as letting it rest for a while after 30 minutes of use. Additionally, a full dirt container can affect the unit's suction and cause overheating, so it is crucial to monitor and empty it as necessary. By addressing these potential issues, it is possible to fix an overheating shark vacuum and prevent future problems. Regular maintenance and careful use can help minimize overheating and ensure the device functions properly.